We got a call for a $3,000 water bill. Take a look and see how quick a leak detection gets done. So here's what we do. We come up to the meter, we babysit the meter, and we see that meter is running absolutely wild. Next, we're gonna shut off the house. When we shut off between the house and the meter stops, which tells us that it's further back and somewhere underneath the house. We're gonna walk the property. We're gonna check irrigation. We're gonna isolate what we could see. Then what we see here is we have it off. We have a separate valve. We kick it back on. We're just literally trying to gauge what's going on at this specific property. Then we're gonna get to our equipment, and once we get to our equipment, we're gonna set it up, and we're going to actually start walking the property. Starting with our soil probes. They're long handled so that we could reach down without having to bend all the way down. And now the water's back on, and we're walking the property, and we're looking at irrigation. We're looking if there's any hose bibs in the back, as there was. We're looking at literally everything, and we're touching everything. If one of these control valves is leaking, we're gonna hear it as water runs through. We're gonna look for hidden things, and look, we found a valve underneath what we just pulled up over there. Again, walking, seeing what this house consists of, and seeing what it's made of. Again, we're touching another line that stubs out over here. You could see there was a bucket, so it means they probably leaked over there, but that wasn't the big issue here. When we go inside, we're gonna stay right, and we're gonna literally touch everything that we can get and touch in front of, whether they're angle stops, whether they're valves underneath sinks. This is where we actually heard the leak, touching this angle stop by this toilet. Take a listen to the sound. A plumber came out to do that angle stop repair. Once he repaired that, everything was taken care of. This was not an actual slab leak. This leak was just a valve running to the toilet, running to waste. So by walking, by touching, by babysitting the meter, we're able to put ourselves right over those leaks. For more information, visit LeakTronics.com.